Hello everyone, welcome to a special episode of Self-Down Garage. I have been preaching this for a while, that we were doing something special with the Volkswagen. So let's get into it. Just kidding. Okay. This is so hard. Should I or shouldn't I show you the final product? Ta-da! This episode, we are actually getting someone else to do the work for me because I have so many dang projects on the go. I can't keep working on my Volkswagen while I've got my truck in pieces because everybody keeps making fun of me. Well, is your truck done yet? It's like, I've only got so many time in the day. Let's show you the place that's gonna do the work on my Jetta. So we're now here at Certified Autosound in Chilliwack, where they're gonna take care of the Jetta for me. So they have a CNC machine. They can cut everything out all nice. The guy says, oh man, that sub is way cheaper than we expected. I want to thank the guys from Certified Autosound for doing this for me. And let's go and take a look at their setup here, and then we'll show you what they've done so far.
Since being founded by Paul, their first store was opened in Abbotsford in 2010. Their goal has been to exceed the expectation of their clients every day. Their company has grown by acquiring and merging with highly successful retailers, with the end result being the largest independent provider in the Lower Mainland. They currently have 3 locations, one in Abbotsford, one in Chilliwack, and one in Maple Ridge. I went to these guys because they're a large supporter of our local drift scene. Even though I don't have much experience when dealing with electronic installers, they made the process easy. I just told these guys generally what I wanted, and they literally went above and beyond by designing and building exactly how I imagined it, and then some. gotta get this out. These guys did a very nice job of making everything tight. Okay, so we have everything out. We have the amp out and everything's hooked up. This is our speaker wire for the dual voice coil sub. So we've got it basically hooked up, and I just heat shrunk it. I know these already have heat shrunk, but I wanted to make sure that anybody that ever touches this or whatever, they know what everything is. I went a little bit overboard. I heat shrunk everything to access. My ground connectors are heat shrunk. Everything is heat shrunk. But yeah, so all my wires are hooked up. So this is gonna be the first time I fire it up with everything in the system, and let's see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna plug in our Bluetooth stick, and we're gonna go. Okie doke. So we've got everything in place here. We've got the amp secured down. We've got the wiring in here. Now I can put this piece back on. Okay, so everything's back in. So what happened before is you used to be able to, there was a gap. You couldn't see a gap here. It was like tight up against here, but because of the power wires being where they are, like there's not much room. So you have to push this amp backwards to be able to clear the wires. But it's just so nice having like the whole system in, done. I don't have to do any work to it. It's just been such a big job for me to even try to tackle. So next step is in another video down the road, we're gonna hook these lights up, but I'll put a picture here just to show you what they look like.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode of Southdown Garage. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and follow us next time when we show you how to tune your sound system so that it sounds amazing, not just in the bass notes, but through it all. I don't know how to do it, so I'm going to get help, and that's the point of this. So you can take a look at that video up over here, or you can check out one of these other videos over here. Take care, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time on another episode of Southdown Garage.